In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Drive from keeping files on your hard drive using a computer. If your disk is filling up because Drive keeps local copies of everything, this quick setting will switch you to online-only files while still letting you browse your Drive from File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. First, open Google Drive for Desktop on your computer. This is the official app that keeps your Google Drive connected to your computer. Once it's open, look for the Google Drive icon. On Windows, it sits in the system tray near the clock. On a Mac, you'll find it in the menu bar at the top of the screen. The icon looks like a small triangle in Google's colors. If you don't see it right away, you may need to expand the hidden icons on Windows or ensure the app is running on Mac. Click the Google Drive icon to open its panel. In that panel, click the gear icon to access settings. The gear is typically in the upper right corner of the panel. From the menu that appears, choose Preferences. This opens the main settings window for the app. In Preferences, find the section labeled Google Drive. Here, you'll see options for how files are stored on your computer. Select Stream Files. Streaming means your files stay safely in the cloud and appear on your computer on demand. You'll still see your Drive folders and files just like before, but they won't take up space until you open them. This is different from mirroring, which keeps full copies on your hard drive. After choosing Stream Files, click Save. That confirms your choice and applies the change. Google Drive will switch to streaming and begin removing local copies that it previously kept on your device. Don't worry, your files aren't being deleted from Drive. They remain in the cloud and are accessible anytime you're online. You can open them from File Explorer or Finder, and they'll download temporarily when needed. You may notice small cloud or checkmark icons next to files indicating their status. A couple of tips as this takes effect. The cleanup may take a few moments if you had a lot of mirrored files, and your available disk space should increase as local copies are removed. If you ever need certain files available without internet, you can mark individual items for offline access later, while still keeping everything else streamed. That's it. Your Google Drive will now keep files online only and free up space on your hard drive. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.